Hello everyone, we're in Amsterdam now, and I just want to give you a little tour of where we're at and what we're seeing, where we're staying. We're on Lane van Straat. Straat's for street, and so let me switch this around here and just show you the street that we're on here. And over here is the canal. Here's the boat that we're staying on. It's actually quite large. And they're repairing the sidewalk here. That's what all these pavers are. Okay, there's the other direction. So let's take you inside here. Okay, it's a very Spanish feel. It's a little laundry. Very cool front step. Check that out. A little mosaic. Okay, let's close the door. Okay, there's Mel. Hi, Mel. Mel's in the kitchen. Okay.
That's what I found.
Your glasses? A full stove. Very cool. Little coffee grinder. We went and bought lattes, but... And it's an interesting back door here. Let's show you that. See, there's the canal. There's our view out our back windows. Okay, there's the family room. This guy. Hey, Rhea.
Hi.
Hey, Warren. Hey. This is our first morning here, so we're a little bit tired. Again, here's the view.
We're doing the whole Spanish siesta thing.
A little early.
Yeah.
Table where we ate breakfast.
Don't judge
This
me.
leads to the bedrooms. It's bedroom 1. That's where Marie and Warren are sleeping. And here's where Mel and I are sleeping. Okay. Ja.
Das ist gut. I'd say that's good.
Woo! Wow! Ah! Jeez.
Okay, guys. Well, hope you enjoyed the tour. We're gonna go check out Van Gogh today. And what else are we gonna do, guys?
The Reich Museum.
Reich Museum. Maybe rent some bikes. So we'll see you later.